Hello viewers, this is my 59th episode. Today I am going to show you some printed silk and some batik with acid painting, which is called batik chitro. Let's start. Sari number 1, it is a printed silk. As usual, price is 3550. Now the discounted price is 3400. All the silks are silk mark certified. Palla portion. It will come in the palla. See the look of the sari. This design I have shown on broad check silk. Now this is on pure silk. The color is peach. This will be the look. Entire sari with this discharge print, and the blouse piece is peach. Sari number 1, price 3550, discounted price is 3400 and silk mark certified. Sari number 2, this is rust color. This part is the blouse piece. This part printed blouse piece. The entire sari with both side border. It will be the look. Both side border. Rust color. And this is palla. Palla portion. Sari number 2. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866 Sari number 3, another printed silk, palla portion. Entire body is royal blue with orange block print. This is the look. Royal blue, base color is royal blue with orange discharge. This is palla portion, achal portion. And this is the blouse piece. Color of the blouse piece is orange. Price is again 3400. 3400 is the discounted price. Sari number 4 on white base. Palla portion. Palla portion. Body will be like this. Entire body with the butta, the yellow color, and this is grey. This one is grey, yellow with grey. Blouse piece is also yellow. Price 3400, which is the discounted price. Sari number 5, this is half and half. Half portion with grey and half portion with white. Palla or achal portion. Half sari is like this, grey with the print, and the rest half is like this. Price again 3400, and the blouse piece of this sari is grey color. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is sari number 6, palla portion. This is palla. The entire sari with brown and black. It will be the look. See, this is the look of the sari. The most interesting part of this sari is the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, printed blouse piece. Price again 3400. Sari number 7. This is red. You can say it is a bridal collection. From palla, half sari will be with these motifs. Red color, half sari, and the rest half like this. This will be the look of the sari. and the blouse piece is also red. Price again 3400. Saree number 8, another printed silk. Palla portion. Palla portion. It will go diagonally with the waves. This is palla. And it will be the look. Price again 3400. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. This is blouse piece. Saree number 9, black with red combination. Palla portion, and the entire body with black and border is red. It will be the look. See, this is the look, and the blouse piece is also red with black border. This is the blouse piece, red with black border. Price again 3400. Next one, same print with just opposite combination. It is red body with black border. See, the same price 3400. Palla portion, entire body with the butta, and the blouse piece of this saree is black. This is blouse piece. Price 3400. Next one, saree number 11, royal blue with green. Palla portion. Palla portion, and the entire body with this block. It will be the look. This is palla. Price 3400, and this is blouse piece. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. Saree number 12. See, palla portion. Entire palla will be like this, and the entire saree is like this. This is royal blue, then turquoise blue, then rani color. See, it will be the look of the saree, entire saree, and the blouse piece is royal blue. Blouse piece is royal blue. Again, the price is 3400. We deliver pan India through courier without any shipping charges. For COD only Kolkata viewers will get the facility of COD. Other than Kolkata, all over India, courier facilities are available. This is palla portion. See, this will be the look. I will show you the border. Close view of the border, and this is the entire saree, and the blouse, and this is not jet black, this is charcoal black, and this is the blouse piece. Price is again 3400. Saree number 14. This is grey with rani combination. This is the look, grey with rani. Palla portion. The entire saree is like this, and the blouse piece is also rani. Price 3400. 3400 is the discounted price. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. Sari number 15. Very colorful palla portion, and the entire body is like this: orange, yellow and turquoise blue. This is the look. This is the aanchal portion. It will be the look of the sari. And the blouse piece of this sari is orange. Price 3400. Now sari number 16 I will show you. This is called Mom Chitro, batik or batik chitro. I will show you the saris. Batik with acid painting. See. Material is pure silk, palla portion. This will be the look of the sari. Half sari will be like this with cracked batik and acid painting, which is called batik chitro, and the rest half is like this. The rest half is mauve color with crack and painting border. And the blouse piece is also with the crack. Price is 4150, but the discounted price is 3900. 3900. Next one, number 17, same thing. See, this is the look of the sari. It will be like this. See, and the half sari turquoise blue with the border, and cracks are there. You can see the cracks are there. Blouse piece, here is the blouse piece. Price 4150, but the discounted price is 3900. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. Sari number 18. This is on white base with pink combination. See, this is palla portion. Palla portion, and the body is, this is the body, and the blouse piece of this sari is again pink with the crack, and the price is 4150. After discount it will be 3900. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. If you want to book or book any sari, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. This is palla portion. I will show you in this way, it will be easier to understand. This is the look, palla portion or aanchal portion. The base color is white, and these are the motifs with the crack, and the blouse piece is red. As you know, the price is, discounted price is 3900. Sari number 20. This is orange color. Very colorful. Very colorful orange. This is palla. Entire sari is like this, orange with a black crack, and the blouse piece of the sari is also orange. This is the blouse piece. Price 3900. Sari number 21. Sari number 21, Palla portion. This is the look. This is the look of the sari. This is Palla portion. Entire sari on white base with crack and painting, which is called Batik Chitro. This is called Batik Chitro, and this is the blouse piece. Blue color is the blouse piece. Price is 3900. 3900 is the discounted price. Sari number 22. So the combination of the sari, very unique combination. Aanchal portion. Aanchal portion. From Aanchal it will continue like this way. Diagonally this design will go. This is the design of the sari, and the rest half like this way. The blouse piece of the sari is also green. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 23. Aanchal portion. I will show you the aanchal in this way. Aanchal portion, and the entire body like this. This is the entire body. This is the entire body. Palla portion, and the blouse piece of the sari is red. Price again, discounted price is 3900. All the silks are Silk Mark certified and pure silk material. This is the sari number 24, last sari of today's episode. Palla portion. Palla portion. From Palla, the front look will be like this, and the entire sari, this is pleats portion, it will be like this. The color of this portion is royal blue, and the lower part is turquoise blue with the motifs, and the blouse piece is also turquoise blue. Price 3900. 3900 is the discounted price. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. If you want to book the saris, call or WhatsApp 9330866384.